Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. At long last, I have found a straight, elegant gray skirt that I have been looking for. G-Line has created the most beautiful, classy, elegant skirt that I have seen in a long time. And it's easy to take care of. It's so easy to iron. And they have thoughtfully put so much detail into this skirt. For example, the little flap that covers the button in the back. And I like how it's lined. It's completely lined all the way around in the front as well as in the back. And then it has this little flap in the back that makes it so nice whenever you're walking up and down stairs. And I really like the band on the waist, how it lays flat against the body, but yet at the same time, it's comfortable to sit down with. And I love this color. It matches so many different outfits and so many different shoes. I even decided to try to use it with some boots, which looked really cute. Or if I wanted to just go out for the evening, I wanted to wear tights and some heels, it was classy. So if you've been looking for the perfect skirt, you don't have to look any further. I have finally found exactly what I wanted, and that is just my point of view.